Hello and welcome to another episode of How To with Paul Henderson. Today's video, I'll be doing the giveaway on a CTR tire string cord repair kit. 2 weeks ago, I had fixed a flat in this tire using my tire repair kit, which is a safety seal tire repair kit. So I decided to purchase a kit from Amazon. So this is a CTR tire string cord repair kit. This kit comes with everything you need. It comes with gloves, 40 tire cords, the lube, 2 heavy-duty handles, and some miscellaneous accessories. Plus you also get the pliers, a tire gauge, and a razor cutter. Now on that video I did 2 weeks ago, I did mention how you could enter to win this. It's been 2 weeks. Yesterday was the deadline, so today is the drawing for this kit. Well, I only had 2 people enter, so here they are. Let me go ahead and stir it up. So the person that is going to win this tire cord repair kit is Patrick_LM7. So congratulations, Patrick. I'll be getting a hold of you. You can send me your address and I'll get this kit out to you right away. But I do feel kind of bad because there's only one person left. So what I'm going to go ahead and do, I'm going to go ahead and send another one of these out to this person. And this person is Tool Bandit 24. So congratulations to the both of you guys. I couldn't just have there be one winner, especially when there was only 2 entries. So both people that entered are going to win. No, you're not going to win. You did win this tire cord repair kit. So congratulations. I did have some difficulty inserting that cord into this tire, I think because this tire is so thick, and I don't think that hole was really big enough to insert that tire cord into. I should have reamed it a lot more, because I never had to let the air out of my tires to insert a plug, but this one I did. And when I did that, being my sidewalls were so thick, it broke the bead down at the bottom, so I had to jack the truck up to get the sidewall back to where it needed to be. And then of course when I put the air in, it pushed the sidewall against the rim. So anyway, it's been 2 weeks, haven't lost any air. Well, that's it, folks. If you like this video, tap the like button, tap the subscribe button, that really helps out my channel, and the bell icon, and you'll get notifications as new videos come out. Thanks for watching, have a great day, and may your tire not go flat. Anyway, that's it. I will see you in the next video. Bye. Hello and welcome to another episode of How To with Paul Henderson. Today's video, I'll be doing the giveaway on the CTR tire string / tire cord. Dang it. Hello and welcome to another episode of How To with Paul Henderson. Today's video, I'll be doing the drawing to give away the CTR tire string repair. Fucking bitch. Test 1, test 2, test 3. Hello and welcome to another episode of How To with Paul Henderson. Today's video, I'll be doing the drawing on the safety seal, not safety, oh now I get the name right, fucker. Test 1, test 2, test 3. 2 weeks ago, I had fixed a flat in my tire. I had used my, I cannot remember it, safety seal, motherfucker. 2 weeks ago, I had fixed a flat in my tire using my tire repair kit, which is a safety seal. Test 1, test 2, test 3. Okay, this is gonna be the final fucking take. Anyway, that's it. I will see you in the next video. Bye.